Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can check your Facebook account created date. Let's get started by tapping on Facebook. Now click on three lines in the corner. Go to settings and privacy. Now click on first option settings and scroll down. Now in the section your information, click on access your information and click on information and press continue. Now you can see there are so many options. Now tap on personal information and you can see there is your account date. I have created my account on 21st February 2024. This is how you can check your Facebook account creation date. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel.